Hi, this tutorial will show the basics of creating a new post in WordPress. First, we'll go to your WordPress site, in this case, CIPORE.org. At the login page, enter your username and password to launch WordPress. Okay, so next, we'll hover over post in the left-hand menu and click Add New to create a new post. Alright, so here we have Add New Post. We're going to enter our title in the text box. This title will appear as the main heading at the top of the page when it's published. This will also be displayed in the navigation menu when you add a post or a page to the navigation menu. We'll name this CIPORE tutorial. Next, we'll type our content in the content box. So I'm just going to enter what's known as dummy text right now and add a few spaces to add some paragraphs. So if you want to format your text, you select it by clicking and dragging. And then you can format it however you want, by whether you want to bold it, italicize, create a bulleted list or alignment. Select any options that you need. So to insert an image, we'd go to Add Media, which would bring up the media library. So if the image is already on your site, you'd select it from the media library. If not, you would go to Upload Files and select an image from your system. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to go to the media library and select an image. We'll select the solar panels here. And when you scroll to the right, you'll see the attachment details where you can add a caption, a description, and see the size of your image. And when you're ready, you select Insert into Post. Okay, so there we have our image. I'm just going to enter the text in the next line. Now, if you want to format how the image appears in your post, you'll select it and you'll receive the options to align left, align center, align right, or just no alignment. I'm going to select align left. And so there we have our image next to our post. I'll select the first line in the paragraph, bold it. All right, so in the category section to the left-hand side, we'd click the checkbox to have it appear in whichever category we wish. So if you wanted to select energy, for instance, you'd select all the categories pertaining to energy. So energy and the environment, energy awareness, whichever category you want your post to be nested under and to display in on your page. So next, we're going to select a featured image by scrolling down, selecting Set Featured Image. If you want to select an image, once again, you would have the media library, and you can select an image. We'll select the same image you just did that was in our post, and press Set Featured Image. So before publishing your post, you'll want to see how it looks. So we're going to scroll up and select Preview, and a new tab will appear with your post to allow you to see what it will look like when it's published. Still loading. All right, so there we have our post that we just made. Our image is there, our text is there, and has been formatted. CIPORE tutorial. Notice at the bottom of the page, you will see the various categories that you added to your post. So now you can return to WordPress and make any final changes that you want to your blog, at which point you would just select Publish and it will show up as this on the site. So there you have the basics of creating a new post in WordPress. Hope this has been helpful. Bye.